Today we have to discuss about science subject of class 7 lesson 1 measurement. At first we have to discuss about history of measurement. Our dear student, today we have to discuss about history of measurement. We know that before 50 years ago there was no facility in measurement, and in that time people faced too much problems. For example, when they bought 1 kg potato from Nepal and they become in India or other places, then it becomes 2 kg, half kg. It creates different problems in measurement. After that, he or they used local measurement, that is Pathi, Paua, etc. After that, people complain to their government in their country. After that, government collected all the scientists or grouping all scientists in France, Paris. When the group of scientists all together in Paris, they developed system of measurement or standard system of measurement, or develop international system of measurement department. At first, international measurement department established in France, Paris by the group of scientists. After that, they made different rule and regulation. They made different rule and regulation to measure the different physical quantity. They made rule for all the people of the country. All the government come in the Paris and to measure its 1 standard kilogram, 1 standard meter and 1 standard second. After that, they provided to their government or country to make 1 standard meter, 1 standard kilogram, 1 standard second in their factory or industry. In this way, measurement system develop in all over the world. In our Nepal, in the context of our Nepal country, our Nepal country has also central department of measurement in Kathmandu, Balaji. In Balaji, there is a central department of measurement office, and in our Janakpur also there is a measurement office in Anandnagar. Our Nepal government check up all the standard physical quantity, that is 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, which is checked after every 6 months. Our Nepal government make a rule and regulation to measure standard 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg after every 6 months check up in the measurement office to make equality in measurement in all over the world. We know that if we use different standard unit, that is 1 kg, 2 kg or 3 kg, which is regularly used, then due to the friction its weight will be decreased. So we contact in our measurement department in Anandnagar to fulfill their equality in measurement, to fulfill their LY, to make a standard unit or a standard quantity. In this way, our measurement system makes equality in all over the world. Nowadays people can easily buy and sell their physical quantity in different way by different equipments. Nowadays there are different measurement system developed in our country or in all over the world. Today we have to discuss about measurement. Now next heading, measurement. Measurement means the process of comparison between a known physical quantity with known standard quantity with same type is known as measurement. For example, to measure the mass of potato in kg by digital balance, to measure the length of science book in centimeter by scale, etc. are the example of measurement. We know that our dear student or my dear student, we know that example is better than definition. So we always remember example also. It clarify to measurement. Measurement we say Nepali naap. Now we have to discuss about physical quantity. Physical quantity. The quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly by using different equipments. Is known as physical quantity. For example, mass, length, time, etc. After that, we have to discuss about non-physical quantity. Non-physical quantity means the quantity which cannot be measured directly or indirectly is called non-physical quantity. For example, sad, happy, love, etc., which cannot be measured directly or indirectly by any equipment. Now we have to discuss about types of physical quantity. My dear student, there are two types of physical quantity. That is fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity. The physical quantity which is independent upon other or not depend upon other is known as fundamental quantity. For example, mass, length, time, etc. Now we have to discuss about its main point, that is notes. And notes helps in difference between and give reason. Note helps in difference between fundamental quantity and derived quantity. So we always remember about notes. Now notes. It is independent upon other or not depend or not depend. It is 7 in number. Or limited. It is used to make derived quantity. They are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity.